Good morning, fly babies. Good morning, patrons. Good morning, my lions. Today is Tuesday, and it is our free day. We are not going to catch up on this day. We're going to use this day for ourselves. There's no catching up. I've just made a Patreon video on not catching up. If you're interested, it's $5 a month. Go over and watch it. It'll be up later today. All right, so let's see. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to have a 2-layer cake. First layer is our routines. We do our routines every day, 5 of them today. Morning routine for you and your children, laundry routine, paper routine. These are in the morning if you're at home. If you're at work, the laundry and paper will be when you get home from work. The after dinner routine and the before bed routine. So our 5 and 1. 5 is the number of grace. Isn't that interesting? Give yourself some grace and do your routines. Okay, the second thing we're going to do today is our zone. We're in zone 4, the master bedroom, master bathroom, and master closet. But oh no, we're not doing that today. It's our free day. Okay, so we're not doing the zone. We're doing the second part of our 2-layer cake, and that is today, free day. So I hope you've planned something for yourself to do today. Maybe redo your nails, maybe give yourself a facial, maybe clean your jewelry, something that you want to do for you, right? Do something for you today. This is your free day. If you are working, you're going to come home, you're going to inspect what you expect, just like those of us who are staying home are doing. We're inspecting what we expect, and all of us, we're doing 3 clutter checks a day, even on your free day. But when you come home, you won't be working in your zone today. If you have chosen to separate this weekly home blessing hour into 5 parts, and you haven't delegated it, you will be doing 10 minutes of your weekly home blessing hour. Okay, that's it. Then don't forget to do the after dinner routine with the family. You're not the maid. We all live here. We all do this, but we're not going to say that to your kids. That's just your thought. You're going to make it happy, fun. Hey, come on. We're going to clean up after dinner. Come on. And remember, it's a choice. Everybody gets a choice. And the choice is to do the thing you've asked them to do, which is a very tiny little thing, which is not hard and is not torturous. It's you and the kids having fun together, singing and dancing in the kitchen while you put things away or wipe things up. But if they choose not to, then they're choosing their consequence, and that is their choice. Do not accept the blame that they will lay on you. It is their fault. They've chosen the consequence, okay? All right, that's it for today. Don't forget your before bed routine. Check your planner, see what's in there for food tomorrow. What are you going to wear tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? What zone are you in tomorrow? What basic weekly plan item are you doing tomorrow? So get all that down. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.